Dear children, very good morning to all of you for class 12th. Today I want to teach you here the right trap from Flamingo. This is chapter number 4. Here the writer is talking about a story. This story is set in the middle of the mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore. That mine is rich in iron ore, which figure large in the history and legends and that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. Once upon a time, there was a man who went around selling small right tribes. The writer Salma Lagerlöf here says that once upon a time, in the earlier time, there was a man who was selling his little right tribes, small teeny right tribes of wire, which was made of wire. He made them himself at odd moments in difficult situations. The writer here says that in difficult situations, he had prepared his right tribe from the material he got by begging in the stores or at the big farms. He was begging door to door, and he had gotten some materials from the stores and big farms from which he had made his right trap. So he had to restore to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. So he had to restore means collect the things which to become alive, which he took from the begging and doing other activities. Even so, his clothes were in rags, although his clothes were torn. Rags means torn. And his cheeks were sunken, and his physical appearance was being seen that he was very poor, and hunger gleamed in his eyes. And hunger was shown in his eyes, means hunger was appearing in his eyes, that he was much hungry. Dear children, in these lines the writer says that once there was a time when there was a man who was selling rat traps of wire. He made them himself. He had made those rat traps from himself, and he was begging door to door and from stores and big farms, and he had gotten the wires, and he had prepared his rat trap. But even so, his business was not especially, he was selling, but his business was not gainful. So he had to restart both begging and petty thievery to keep body, and so he had to do something wrong things to keep him good. Even so, his clothes were torn, and his cheeks were sunken, and hunger was soon in his eyes. Thank you. Here is the question which is related with this chapter, which I want to ask with you. Who was selling small rat traps of wire? Who had made the rat trap? Was his business profitable? Thank you.